Okay, you want to get the your chicken broth. I used the what was left in the pressure cooker after I pressure cooked my chicken. You can use regular chicken broth, but this is what was left in there after I cooked my chicken there. You want to add a stick of butter to that. This is what we're going to boil the dumplings in. But well, also it's going to be the your broth for the chicken and dumpling soup. While that's melting, we can go ahead and add the dumpling mixture that I made earlier. You don't have to be perfect with this, just drop them in there. I went ahead and added cheese to the, I think it'll give it more of a dumpling texture, I'm hoping. So I added cheese to it. But yeah, like I said, you don't have to be perfect with this, just, you only have to cook these about 5 minutes. Once it gets back to a boil, I probably should have melted the butter beforehand, but hey, you know, like I said, you don't have to be perfect with the, just a spoonful at a time, you know, is all you need. You know, make good dumpling size, right? Again, this is pork rinds, ground chicken. I went ahead and added mozzarella cheese to it and 2 eggs. I'm sorry, 3 eggs. I added another egg to it too because it seemed real dry. So I added another egg. I'll put it in the description what all I ended up with. I'm just making this. Well, I've seen a YouTube video. I think it was Carnivore's Chef, I think. So it's based on his recipe, but I tweaked it a little bit, hoping it comes out more dumpling texture. In his video, he said it was not quite like the dumplings, you know, we grew up with, right? Before this diet. But hey, you know, I just tried to tweak it a little bit, and make it my own, you know. Try to improve it with the mozzarella cheese. I'm hoping that'll give it more of a dumpling texture. We shall see. His was just pork rinds, ground chicken, and eggs. So I added mozzarella cheese to it. See if that'll make it a better texture. So, okay, I'm just about done with the dumplings here. Got a little more I can get out of here. But yeah, just spoon it in there, or by spoonful. Now the heavy cream is for after I pull the dumplings out. I'm going to add heavy cream to the to give it a thicker broth, you know, for your dumplings. Okay, I'll come back after these boil for 5 minutes. See what they look like. There, it's starting to bubble up again. I got a medium-high heat. Okay, these have been boiling for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the cup of heavy whipping cream to help thicken it up a little bit. And then add some salt. You know, pepper or whatever you want to add to it, and I'm just trying to keep it simple here. probably pour some of this in there. I'd say about a teaspoon probably to start, the flavor to taste. Let's see here. Maybe a little bit more. I'm going to go with another teaspoon. So say 2 teaspoons. That should be about right. The heavy cream gives that creamy taste, I'm sure. So I'm going to go ahead and try one of these dumplings. See how it is. Definitely hot. It's not the dumpling texture. Definitely chickeny, but not bad. I mean, it's a good alternative. You're never gonna, on this diet, never gonna be able to get the dumplings back, right? Because of the flour, unless you want to go keto and try some with almond flour. But actually, it's not a bad texture. So I'm thinking this is would be a good alternative. Of course, nothing's like the real thing, but we can get close. So anyway, I hope you liked this. If you did, hit like and subscribe, please, and share it with your friends. And, I'll try to make some more interesting recipes that and try to keep them close to carnivore as I can. And this one definitely is all carnivore. So I'm going to try this out here. I'll put it in the bowl here. Now you can let this cook some more too, if you want. Get another dumpling in there. All right. Thank you. Bye. This actually turned out pretty good. Let's say so myself. I've been craving chicken and dumplings ever since I've been on this diet. So the dumplings are not bad. They do have the chicken taste, of course, but with the cheese and that added, it's pretty good. Definitely give it a try.